Yes, sir.
5 मिनट ब्रेक लेके. Okay. So flammability is a substance, ability of a substance to burn. True. Correct. In tankers, the alleged volume is normally small in loaded condition. Temperature control of cargo means applying heat in a controlled manner. Using the dilution method, the fresh air is blown into the tank at deck level and is vented out at purge pipe. In tanker, during gas filling, the turbulent mixing flow is caused by dilution method. As well as chemical cargoes, what may chemical tankers also be used to transport? Other recommended liquid products for the tanker is designed for as per the category. Which all tanks are fitted with tank radar unit in general, mainly cargo and slop tanks. What are the yearly checks for dry chemical powder system on tanker? Inspect visually components, verify pressure regulator and agitate TCP. Deficient oxygen content inside a confined space can be detected with a combustible gas detector. Okay. Deficient oxygen. ऑक्सीवॉन मीटर. ऑक्सीवॉन मीटर तो पता नहीं क्या होता है. अलवी इसका चेक करो, ऑक्सीवॉन मीटर क्या होता है. क्वेश्चन 9 पे वापस आते हैं हम लोग. Gas free, an atmospheric condition in a tank when it is free from any concentration of inflammable, noxious or toxic gases and vapors other than only cargo vapors. Only cargo vapors. Atmospheric condition in a tank when it is free from any concentration of inflammable, noxious or toxic gases and vapors other than only cargo vapors. Cargo vapors भी नहीं होंगी उसमें, गैस फ्री तभी होगा. False. The term miscibility is often used instead of solubility in case gas dissolving in water. Meghadri, answer. Gas dissolving in liquid, gas dissolving in gas, liquid dissolving in liquid, solid dissolving in liquid. Anybody?
B होगा sir, I think. Gas
Liquids in
dissolving.
liquid, sir. Liquid dissolving in
Liquid
liquid.
dissolving in liquid is
Homogeneous mixture form करता है.
not necessarily homogeneous or something, but that is miscibilities. Some cargoes are miscible with water, some cargoes are not miscible with water.
Sir, homogeneous नहीं होगा तो miscible नहीं होगा sir. Miscibility मतलब homogeneity वो एक साथ में combine हो रहा है sir. To a certain point.
Yeah, to a certain point.
Liquid in liquid.
So
sir.
liquid dissolving in liquid. In case of failure of erratic reading of fixed oxygen meter, the following operation condition may be followed. So if oxygen meter is not correct, bypass the oximeter, use pan gas, use portable oxygen content analyzer and discharge at slow rate. Use nitrogen gas. So if fixed oxygen meter is not working, we will use the portable oxygen meter. Correct?
Yes sir.
1 minute. One minute. A short section of pipe having one end of smaller hook, Amit,
Reduce.
then other and having a flange at each end for connecting a smaller hose or pipe to a pipe of constant diameter. Reducer. Polymerization is a chemical reaction in which small molecules join together to form larger molecules split to form smaller molecules.
Small molecules join together.
Very good. Volatile petroleum oil has a flash point.
Below 60.
Below
Below
60.
60.
Perfect. Term signifying that the vapor content of a space certified is 0.1 or less on a gas indicator, and that the space contains no oil or sediment which could produce vapors. Safe for men and fire, safe for men, safe for loading, none of the above.
सर ए लग रहा है सर, बिकॉज वेपर से फायर भी हो सकती है और वेपर से हम लॉस ऑफ लाइफ भी हो सकता है.
Yes, but when your point vapor content is less than 0.1, it is not safe for men, no? For men entry, we need oxygen. So it is only safe for
सर
safe
ग्रीन
for
स्क्रीन आ रहा है सर.
1 minute. Safe for
फंडामेंटल वाला.
the gas leaves above seawater temperature. Search. Category X defines noxious liquid substances which discharge into the sea from tank cleaning or deblasting operation are deemed to present a major hazard.
Category X, sir.
Hydrocarbons are composed of
C and H.
C and H.
Category Y is deemed to be
Minor hazard.
माइनर hazard.
hazard.
Hazard, sir. Z minor hazard.
हैजार्ड होगा सर, हैजार्ड होगा.
The inert gas volume available in alleged space above the oil level in the tank to be loaded is less than sufficient for the inert gas needed in the ballast tank during discharge. Inert gas volume available in the alleged space above oil level in the tanks is less than sufficient. alleged space तो थोड़ा सा ही होता है, ballast tank तो बड़ा होता है ना, उसमें कैसे भर सकते हैं? When
सर
cargo
पिछले क्वेश्चन का आंसर सर, पिछले क्वेश्चन का आंसर.
very less than sufficient, less than
सॉरी
sufficient,
सर.
less alpha.
हाँ 5 मिनट से ब्रेक ले लो.
When cargo operations are taking place at terminal, what must ship engine notice be?
ये होगा सर अल्फा अल्फा.
Engine at short notice.
मतलब क्या हुआ?
Which international convention is dealing
सर वो
with
शॉर्ट और इमीडिएट में डिफरेंस क्या है?
immediate means if I say you start, short notice means 15 minutes. You can take time. Which international convention is dealing with pollution prevention on chemical tankers?
Annex to Marpol, sir.
Annex 2 sir.
Annex 2, sir.
As well as chemical cargoes, what chemicals, other liquid products? API gravity is means used by petroleum industry to express the density of petroleum liquids. Correct?
ये कौन सा बोला सर?
Alpha is correct.
Sir, all of the तो नहीं है
All
इसका
above
नहीं.
the above भी हो सकता है.
इसका आंसर क्या बोला सर आपने?
All of
Sir, all होगा क्योंकि सर sometime called as the relative density by API सर ये पढ़ा था.
Okay, all of the above.
ऑल होगा क्या? ठीक है सर.
Flammability is the ability of the chemical. अमन मिश्रा, बीच बीच बार बार डिस्टर्ब मत करो.
सर वो इंटरनेट का सर आज बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है सर.
अरे तो रिकॉर्डिंग भेज देंगे तुम्हें.
अरे नहीं सर, रिकॉर्डिंग में से कहाँ फील आता है सर इतना.
और म्यूट कर लो, डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है. Ability of a chemical to burn or ignite. causing fire or combustion.
Flammability.
Flammability. Lowest temperature at which a liquid will form a vapor in the air near its surface.
Flash point.
Will flash
Flash point.
or briefly ignite on exposure to an open flame. Flash point. No tanks should be entered before all parts of the tank are checked for possible pockets of. Should be entered before all parts of the tank are checked.
All of
All of the above,
All
sir.
of the above. In order to improve the suction of the pump when discharging light or gassing cargoes, the tanks are pressurized by inert gas under overpressure from the inert gas fans. In this respect, one must remember that the tanks are generally dimensioned to withstand a vapor pressure of 2500 mm of water gauge. ये पीवी ब्रेकर में पता नहीं तुम लोगों ने पढ़ा है कि नहीं.
क्या है सर इसका आंसर?
2500 mm of water gauge. In oil tanker, gas freeing takes place by either A or B.
A or B.
A or B, sir.
Flame screen or flame arrestor is a device comprised of fine wire gauge that is fitted into the discharge end of a vent line.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Fitted into the discharge end of a vent line. It prevents the passage of flame but will allow vapor to pass through. Flame screens are also fitted to remove ullage plugs used to cover ullage holes on cargo tanks, tops, walls. Ullage plugs पे तो नहीं हो. But vent lines में होता है. Vent line मतलब वो जो तुम्हारी पर्च पाइप्स.
सर उसका तो सर ट्रू होगा ना सर?
Vent line
सर
correct only. You can choose. The procedure of locating the oily water interface for the purpose of determining the volume of free water in the shore tank or vessel compartment. It is also used to refer to the line of demarcation of oily water interface, water or cut measurement. Correct? Water cut measurement.
Yes, sir.
In chemical tankers, to avoid having a deteriorating effect on cargoes, we use stainless steel, correct? Steam heating coils are generally made of stainless steel. All tanks inserted satisfactorily. The tank should be put under a slight overpressure, normally over inerted होगा. Inerted satisfactory. The tank should be put under a slight overpressure, minimum 100 degrees centigrade. 300 to 400 mm of water gauge. Okay, 300 to 400 mm. Actually, under pressure होना चाहिए. I think ये spelling mistake है. Inerted and under pressure होना चाहिए. Because positive side is up to 2500 and negative is minus 350. It is a rule that the combined pumping rate of inert gas supply blowers to the cargo tank must have the provision for excess capacity 1.25 times more than the maximum loading rate. Clear? Yes? No? During tank washing, the recirculation of water is not permitted. Correct?
Yes.
When only hydrochloride acid is carried, a detection system is to be provided for hydrochloride vapor, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen peroxide, hydrochloride vapor.
हाइड्रोजन सर सल्फाइड का नहीं देखेंगे क्या सर? अच्छा नहीं ठीक है राइट सर.
We need Draeger tube for HCl. Chemical tankers constructed after 1986 comply with the provision of IBC code.
IBC.
Pass.